All right. Hello, everybody. Thank you for stopping by on my video. All right. In today's video, we are going to make a weight loss concoction using pineapple peeling. Also, how to use pineapple peeling to make a weight loss juice or do pineapple tea. Okay, now we have to make a very short video. I have cleaned my pineapple. So now I'm putting the pineapple peeling. You wash your peelings, the back of your pineapple. You put in the pot. I know a lot of us are into this struggle of weight loss. So I see a lot of people blending pineapple. Well, these are mixing with celery, this and that. Trust me, this one, the pineapple tea works. I've been doing workout. So I've been taking the pineapple tea. Trust me when I say it works. It works much better than blending the pineapple and making juice, this and that, adding this and adding. I see some people adding blueberries, adding grapes. When I do that, I just take it like juice. But this one, trust me, it works. So we're gonna put our water. Yeah, we're gonna put water. Let's say a liter of water in here. All right. All right, guys, here we have our results after the pineapple peels have been boiled. So this is how it looks. So another thing I did away from the camera, because I didn't want a very long video, is I added my pineapple chaff. So I made pineapple juice using my juicer. So and I added the chaffs in here, and I added another liter of water. So I made 2 liters of water with 1 pineapple and the chaffs. Oh, now this is a glass of the results, guys. I'm gonna take this after my dinner, and then tomorrow morning, first thing, I'm gonna warm the pineapple peels. I'm gonna I'm gonna warm it, turn on the gas, make it warm, and I take it as my tea. I put in my teacup and take it as my tea, and make sure I take a glass of it, guys. It works. You're gonna peel a lot, and then you feel how light you are or how light you become, and then your tummy is gonna be feeling light too. Guys, try this. This is much better than blending the pineapple, adding apple, adding grapes. No, that doesn't work for weight loss. This is the plug. So I remember my aunt used to take this, but I was just so lazy to do it. And then when I went to Walmart, I saw pineapples cheap. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe and like my video, and stay tuned.